Hello, this is immigration attorney Curtis Morrison. It is September 30th, 2020, and I am coming to you to talk again about DV litigation. Judge Emmett P. Mehta has issued a 26-page order giving further equitable relief to 2020 DV winners. Specifically, he is ordering the State Department to reserve 9,000 diversity visa numbers. 9,095 diversity visa numbers after September 30th, 2020. He calculates that to mean about half as many people will get DVs this year as would get in a normal year. So instead of 55,000, 27,000, something like that. It's round numbers. He also granted the Gomez plaintiffs their renewed motion for class certification. So that class certification is real now, which is great. The Acre class certification for the expired DVs, he did not grant. He denied that. What that means is this is the end of the line for the DV lottery winners who were issued visas prior to April 23rd, 2020, but they were not reissued. It's really sad, but it's the end. There's nothing else we can do. Okay, so consular interviews will stop. Don't call the embassy tomorrow and say, I need my interview because of this order. Don't do that. Don't call KCC tomorrow. They will stop. They will resume only after we have success on the merits in the lawsuit, okay? Do not expect consular interviews for the next 90 days, maybe longer. There's no reason to call us and push for one, or call the embassy, or call KCC. It will not happen, okay? What this means is that attorneys have work to do to get to the consular interviews, to get to that part. And it's going to take months. There's no way around this. Know this, we are going to do everything we can, our team, in the context of our 3 existing lawsuits, Mohammed, Fongjong, and Kennedy, to get you, our clients, interviewed as quickly as possible before the 9,095 visa numbers are exhausted. Okay, there's only 9,095 visa numbers out there. We're going to fight to get those for our clients. At this point, we do not know how or in what order the State Department will process the 2020 DV applicants. If Judge Mehta were to order the processing resumed after we won on the merits, but we will do everything in our power to ensure that you have the best chance at obtaining your visas. We believe our representation will give you the best chance at actually obtaining a visa too. One thing I want to note, Judge Mehta did not order the State Department to reissue DVs that expire or extend validity dates. For example, in January, if something happens to where you couldn't come in January. What he said instead is that if the State Department chooses not to reissue or extend validity dates because it is in their discretion, then he says come back to court and he will deal with that issue then, which is fair and reasonable. This order could have been much worse. We are pleased that it keeps the hope alive for many. It is unfortunate it does not keep the hope alive for some. If you have an extremely high case number, things may not be looking as good as they were. But again, we do not know how the order in which DVs will be issued if we win on the merits. So there's still a little hope, okay? Thank you so much for sticking with us on this journey, and the journey continues. Remember to drink water and breathe air, and I will continue to give you updates as we have them. Thank you very much.